In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the name of your store within the Shopify platform. Whether your business has evolved and you need a new storefront identity, or you simply made a typo initially, changing your store's name is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together to ensure you can accomplish this quickly and smoothly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is essentially your control room for your online store, where you can manage everything from products to customer data. Once you're logged in, you should see a panel or a plethora of options. Don't be overwhelmed. It's a hub designed to streamline your store management. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should spot a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that. This section is crucial as it houses all the nitty-gritty details of your online store. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll be greeted by a variety of categories. The one we're interested in today is the General section. In this section, your web store's most fundamental details are stored. Look for the subsection labeled Store Details, which gives you an overview of your store's essential identity, including its name, the legal name of the business, and contact information. Here, locate the existing name of your store. On its right side, you will find a small pencil icon. This is the universal symbol for editing or making changes. Click on that pencil icon to modify your store's name. Now you're in the clear to type in the new name you've chosen. Make sure this name resonates well with your brand's ethos and what you wish to communicate to your audience. Once you've typed in the new name, take a moment to review your changes. It's a small detail, but one that will be visible to everyone who visits your store. Double-check it, ensure there are no spelling errors, and it reflects the fresh identity you wish to embody. Next, navigate to the bottom of this page where you'll find the Save button. Clicking this button will confirm your changes. Once you've clicked Save, your store's new name becomes official. And there you have it. You've successfully altered the public-facing name of your Shopify store. Congratulations! It's as simple as that. Changing your store name can reinvigorate your brand and help realign your shop's facade with its core purpose or new direction. Now, your storefront's name should accurately represent your vision and mission. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy selling!